Friends, if you're living in a house you bought, let me ask you one question. Have you really inspected your home properly? I'm asking this because after watching this video, you'll feel compelled to check every corner of your own house. In this video, you'll see shocking cases where people suddenly discovered hidden rooms inside their own homes. In some of these secret spaces, deadly items were found, while in others, there were uninvited guests hiding in plain sight. Number 1. The hidden death bunker beneath the house. In 2015, a man named Jerry bought a new house. The previous owner was an elderly man who had passed away, which is why the house was sold to Jerry at a very low price. Just 2 weeks after buying the house, Jerry went down to the basement to do some cleaning one day. During the cleaning, he noticed a sheet of plywood fixed beneath the staircase. When he broke it open, he was stunned to find an entire hidden room behind it. Inside the room were crates filled with guns, live ammunition, several bombs, and extremely heavy boxes that Jerry couldn't even lift. There were unused bullets and explosives scattered around. He also discovered a box filled with coins, along with many other mysterious items. All of this equipment appeared to be military grade. It felt as if the room had been constructed like a bunker. Who the former owner really was and how he obtained such a massive cache of weapons remains a mystery to this day. Number 2. The uninvited guest living inside the house. Now let's talk about the uninvited guest. 2 students living in a house in Ohio often heard strange noises, sounds of someone screaming and groaning. They began to believe the house was haunted. But one day, when they decided to search the house, they discovered a secret room hidden behind the basement, and someone was actually living there. There was even a bathroom inside that room, where the person used to wash his clothes. His name was Jeremy. He was the cousin of a student who had previously lived in the house. When that student moved out, he allowed Jeremy to stay there because he had nowhere else to go. Jeremy never stole anything from the house, yet he was eventually asked to leave. Even after that, he secretly continued living in the hidden room. Number 3. A hidden life behind the closet. A few years ago, a user named Too Bright Brown shared some photos on the social networking site Imgur. He explained that while he and his younger brother were playing in their father's house, his brother accidentally pulled a bookshelf aside during the game. Behind the bookshelf was a passage that led straight downward. At the bottom was an entire hidden room. To reach it, one had to go down a set of black-colored stairs. Inside, there were clear signs that someone had been secretly living there. Children's toys, a banana peel that looked like it had been eaten just a few hours earlier, and a candy that was likely stolen quietly during the night. However, it's hard to say how much trust can be placed in a post shared on an image-sharing site like Imgur. But if there is even a small amount of truth to it, this incident becomes incredibly fascinating and deeply unsettling. Number 4. The secret room and the creepy letter. In 2005, Jason and Carrie Brown purchased a house in South Carolina for $75,000. Sometime later, they decided to renovate the home and began cleaning it out. During the process, they discovered a secret room hidden behind a bookshelf. Inside the room, the first thing they found was a letter. At first, they thought they were about to uncover a major secret, but their excitement quickly turned into disappointment. The letter read, "Eventually, you found it." The letter went on to explain that a black mold grew on the walls of the house, producing an unbearable stench. Because of this, the writer's family kept getting sick and was ultimately forced to abandon the home. After reading the letter, Jason and Carrie took legal action against the real estate agent for failing to disclose this information before the sale. Number 5. The soundproof room and the mysterious tapes. A social netizen named Emmerjack posted on Reddit that he had discovered a hidden basement inside his house. When he came across a locked door, he broke it open. Inside, he found a soundproof room containing an electrical outlet and a briefcase. Inside the briefcase were watches, jewelry, some envelopes, cash, and several tapes. Written on the tapes were the words, "No, no." What was recorded on those tapes has never been revealed. However, according to Emerjack, the police believed that these items could be connected to a much larger and more serious case. If you found this documentary interesting, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more hidden mysteries, and comment below which story shocked you the most.